Hello everyone, this is Chris from Spoon Graphics, and as you can see, I've messed myself up a little bit. I had a bit of a mountain biking accident the other day and conked myself out and ended up spending 7+ hours in A&E. After a CT scan and an X-ray, I've ended up with a radial head fracture in my right arm and some improvements to my face. Thankfully, everything came back all present and correct with the brain scan, but as you can imagine, typing and designing is suddenly becoming a little bit more trickier. So I'm not too sure whether I'll be able to keep up with my usual content schedule. But I've got the X-ray right here, so let me show you what I've done to myself. You can see the tiny fracture on this little nub. But the good news is it's still attached and not broken into loads of pieces, so hopefully it won't take too long to heal up. But actually we might be able to do it right now if I can get let's have a look, the spot healing brush. Right, let's zoom in. Change brush size a little bit. There we go, if we just paint over this little fracture. There we go, it's pretty much fixed. If only it was that easy in real life. In fact, we could also get rid of this cursor too. Then because this bit's on a bit of a line, I think we'd be better off using the healing brush tool maybe. God, this is hard with my left hand. Sample the source area and then paint along that line. Let's see if that works, kind of. I think it might have been better with the in fact it would have been better with a softer brush tip. Let's try and clean it up with the spot healing brush again. Get rid of these little bits. There we go. So hopefully I'll have some more tutorials out for you soon. My next one is due in a couple of weeks, so hopefully by then I might have some more movement, because it's, as you can see, it's not in a cast, it's just it needs to be slinged, because I need to try and keep moving it. But I guess this is a great opportunity to tell you to head over to my Spoon Graphics website if you want to check out more of my content. I've got over a decade's worth of tutorials and freebies and all sorts of articles over there that you can catch up on. I hope you managed to pick up some tips even in this little update video, so thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again soon.